We are about to get a spa IV. It kind of looks like Gatorade.
It does.
Is it Gatorade?
And we're running.
Uh-oh, here it comes. I'm Adrienne and I'm the Experimentalist. We're at Lume Wellness. We have come here to get a spa IV. That didn't sound great. I'm Adrienne.
Hi, I'm Suzanne. Nice to meet you. If you want, just have a seat for
Okay.
me. We'll get started. No allergies.
A lot of needles and things.
No allergies.
No. I guess I would say this is kind of like half a medical office, half a spa. It's like a med spa sort of moment. Now, are you a registered nurse?
I am, yeah.
Okay, so I can feel completely safe in your hands.
Yes, exactly.
She did take my blood pressure, she checked my pulse, but she did not take my height and weight, which is, I think, how you know it's a spa.
Have you ever had a vitamin drip done before?
I have not. Did I want to get a spa IV? No. It doesn't seem like something someone would want to do willingly, but who really wants to get an IV? The last time I had an IV, I was literally giving birth.
There's multiple different types of vitamins.
There were a lot of options. I could get one for immunity, for glowing skin, for brain power, for energy, but we went with energy. So am I gonna feel it like immediately? Like when I leave here, I'm gonna be like...
It varies person to person, just how well and how fast your body metabolizes.
Now, are there any risks?
No risks because they're found exactly in your body. You either make them or you eat them through your diet.
It was all very overwhelming scientific jargon, so I don't really know other than I know the vitamins they gave me, my body naturally produces, but perhaps I just have less of them because I'm an old, tired person.
You ready for your IV stick? This part is the least fun part about it,
right?
But once it's over, I'm
gonna love it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Do you mind if we go in this arm?
No, I want you to do whatever it's gonna be.
Just because.
The least invasive. She pulled out a bunch of needles. No, thank you. But we moved forward anyway. She stuck me in my arm with a needle and this cord filled with blood, which was super gross.
So we got one step done. Basically from here on out, it's smooth sailing, all
Okay.
right? Okay.
I was transferred from kind of my medical office room to my spa cube, where I then got my IV moment. It kind of looks like Gatorade.
It does.
Yeah, this is the big energy. It looked like Gatorade, which seems appropriate since I got the energy one. Is it Gatorade?
You think I just stuck some Gatorade in there for you? And we're running.
Uh-oh, here it comes.
So it usually takes around 45 minutes.
I think maybe I was dehydrated because it only took like 30 minutes. It's just like, how often would I come get the Gatorade bag?
So this is usually good for like a 2 to 3 weeks worth. It'll stay within your body.
Like I should have energy for 3 weeks from this?
Well, it'll stay within your body for 2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah.
I definitely think you'll get that boost of energy that you're looking for though.
But just today?
No, it shouldn't be just today.
Okay, you think for a while?
Yeah, for a little bit. Yeah, you should definitely feel it.
Maybe through the weekend.
Most definitely.
And then I sat here, I texted my friends selfies of me looking like I was dying while getting this IV. And I was reading Little Women, which was a very strange experience because I do not think the March Sisters would approve of any of this. Is there any like sort of situation where I could get like a massage while I'm sitting here?
Are we ready for this?
Yes.
Okay. So we're basically just gonna take this out now. You don't need to look if it's
No,
like...
I'm not going to.
Okay, all right, you ready? I'm gonna pull it out.
Definitely feels like a needle coming out of your arm.
But it wasn't super painful, was it?
No, it wasn't painful, it's just kind of gross.
Alrighty, you're all complete.
I feel pretty much the same, but then I also kind of feel like I'm talking fast. And I'm like, rich people should come and get this. I mean, I think it costs like $165, and I'm not sure if you're supposed to tip her. I'm gonna have to like process the benefits over the course of a couple days and update you on how I feel. So it has been 2 weeks since I had the IV for energy, and I gotta tell you, I feel just as bedraggled as ever. I feel like my regular, almost 40-year-old self who is living through a Chicago winter and just like wants to eat pizza and sleep. So perhaps I need more IVs or less pizza or more exercise. I don't know, but I can't tell you definitively if it did anything at all.